Big breaking news coming in now on the broadcast. Let's go straight across to it. Life sentence has been announced for Prajwal Revanna in the sexual harassment case that was lodged against him. Big breaking developments coming in. Remember, he was convicted yesterday. He is former Prime Minister H.D. Devegowda's grandson. Big setback for Prajwal Revanna. Life sentence has been announced for him. He has been convicted in this case. The quantum of sentencing was due to come today, and now it has come. Life sentence has been given to Prajwal Revanna. Big breaking developments coming in. Belly Thomas is joining us for more on this story. Belly, big setback for Prajwal Revanna.
Absolutely, Uday. The special court for elected representatives, the judge Santosh Gajanan, but though he was a little late to arrive at the court hall, he came and he signed a copy of the judgment, and then he went on to pronounce that it is life imprisonment for the expelled MP Prajwal Revanna, who has been convicted for one sexual assault case, whereas 3 other cases are still on trial, and he is also slapped a fine of rupees 5 lakh on the MP, and now we are getting to say that we are getting to know that life imprisonment and a fine was for the charge under IPC section 376(2)(k) and 376(2)(n), which is for repeated times and by a rape of a person with a stronger position, is what we gather, Uday.
Absolutely, and of course, Belly, this would come as a big blow for him, because it seems that an example case has been made of this. This was a powerful individual allegedly trying to misuse his power. This happened also, at a time when, of course, the country was voting in elections. This individual then fled the country, tried to evade the law, and now perhaps this has become an example case, which is why we have seen a fast-track trial and also now this stringent sentencing, Billy.
Absolutely, Uday. So the judge has taken a call after listening to the arguments of the prosecutors, whom were Ashok Nayak and Jagdisha, who had requested the court to grant the accused.
The court to grant the accused the maximum punishment, grant the convict the maximum punishment, and the court has upheld those arguments, and they with the arguments of those 2 special public prosecutors is what we gather from the inside the court hall. We learned that the judge has sentenced the expelled MP Prajwal Revanna to life imprisonment, which is the maximum punishment, and rupees 5 lakh fine has been slapped. So this case is going to be an example for even this is a case of a member of parliament we are talking about, and this would certainly set out as an example for people in power for exploiting the weaker sections in the society, Uday.
Absolutely. It seems that he's also been handed out the maximum punishment. Is that correct? Looking at the sections which were slapped against him, which he has been convicted for as well yesterday?
Absolutely, Uday. So this is the maximum sentence that one can get. So the judge has taken cognizance of the sexual assault, the counts of sexual assault, which is one at the Holenarasipura, the farmhouse at Gannikhada in Hassan once, and another time at in Bengaluru, where she has the victim has is seen pleading on the video, stating that she was she was an elderly person and elder to her, and she had worked in that family, even serving food for their his father and grandfather, is what she was saying, and he didn't show any kind of consideration for her pleading, but he went on to abuse her and sexually assault her. So this was very obvious in that, and like I said, the request of the public prosecutors who wanted the maximum punishment, they said that it was not only a physical sexual assault, but on her mindset as well, and she also went on to commit suicide after she came to know that her video was leaked in public, and there was several instances where she was put into shameful ordeal, and she was asked after the assault, she was let go of without her clothes on. So these were the kind of arguments that the prosecutors were describing to the judge when the trial was going on, and the judge has taken a note of all these intricate details, and he has pronounced this judgment with the maximum life imprisonment for the MP and a fine of rupees 5 lakh, Uday.